Moon and Jupiter get together late Sunday night. Until lately, the planet that has dominated our morning sky has been dazzling Venus, which can be seen low in the east-northeast sky at the crack of dawn, around 90 minutes before sunrise. But, before Venus rises, Jupiter dominates the sky from late evening on, outshining everything but the Moon. This week, Jupiter rises at 9:45 p.m. local daylight time, and if you look east shortly after 10:30 p.m. on Sunday, August 14th, you'll see a waning gibbous moon, 3 days past full, standing a little more than 5 degrees to the right of Jupiter. A clenched fist held at arm's length spans around 10 degrees in breadth, therefore Jupiter and the Moon will be separated by slightly over half a fist on Sunday night. Jupiter and the Moon will be visible for the remainder of the night, peaking shortly before 4 a.m., at an altitude that is more than halfway between the horizon and the point immediately overhead, the zenith. Furthermore, as they pass the southern meridian at that early hour, Jupiter will appear to be shining precisely above the Moon. They will also appear to be closer to each other, with the distance between them reduced to 3 degrees. The opposition will be closest to Earth and in the sky all night long, from sunset to dawn, on September 26, a little over 6 weeks away. Saturn will also have its own opposition on Sunday. It's 46 degrees west to the right of Jupiter. Saturn and Jupiter are now around 4.5 fists apart, based on the breadth of your clenched fist held at arm's length. Dance of the Moons. Not to mention Jupiter's 4 primary moons, which Galileo discovered 412 years ago. They are a perennial source of excitement for amateur astronomers and may be seen through any telescope or binoculars. They circle Jupiter at such a fast rate, 1.68 days for Io and 16.7 days for Callisto, that their appearance changes from hour to hour and night to night. For example, if you point a telescope at Jupiter on Sunday night, you'll first see a single moon, Io, on one side and 2, Ganymede and Callisto, on the other. However, around 11:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time, 0328 GMT Monday, August 15th, the fourth moon, Europa, will emerge from behind Jupiter's disk, joining Ganymede and Callisto. Io will then fade away when it is overshadowed by Jupiter's shadow on Monday around 2:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time, 0615 GMT. Io will disappear behind Jupiter shortly after, but will reappear in view a little more than 3 hours later. Those in the central and western states will be able to view all 4 moons aligned on one side of Jupiter while the sky is still dark. Size and distance matters. Finally, when you look at the Moon and Jupiter late Sunday night, try to notice the differences in their sizes and distances. A fact, the Moon outshines Jupiter by more than 9 magnitudes, with a brightness ratio of 4,370 to 1. However, the Moon is significantly smaller than Jupiter. Our natural satellite's diameter is 2,158 miles, 3,474 kilometers, compared to Jupiter's breadth of 88,846 miles, 142,984 kilometers. The Moon's distance is what makes it appear so much larger and brighter. The Moon will be 232,300 miles, 373,600 kilometers from Earth on Sunday night. However, Jupiter will be 1,681 times further away, 390.6 million miles, 628.5 million kilometers.